Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display only selected color images in your product page of the Shopify store. So I am solving this problem for STREAMLINE theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a lot of videos for different themes, so you can go through the playlist, and if you are finding that video related to your theme, then that's good. If not, then you can message me. I will create a video for you or maybe fix the problem for you. So here on my screen you can see that I have selected black color, but on the left hand side we have white color as well, and if we are coming on the top, you will see that we have a different color which is ice blue, where that is also displaying. If I'm switching back to this one or this one, so you can see that all the other colors are also displaying. So what exactly we want is that only if we are selecting black color, so black color images should be displayed in the left hand side, and if we are selecting ice blue, then only ice blue, other should be hidden. Okay, so let me show you step by step that how you can do it in your store. So here we have the dashboard of the store. You can see I have installed STREAMLINE theme. So firstly you should take the backup of this theme, click on these three dots, click on duplicate. So in that way, if later on you have any problem or something, you can actually undo the changes. Now moving ahead to the first step. So the first step is that you should go to the products, and here you will see that we have, for example, we are trying this product, embody flagging flared leggings. So the first step is that you should change the alt text for all these images. So right here you can see that I have color variants, and down below we have uploaded for each color variant image, and you should select any of the product image, and then you can see that we have an alt text to fill it here. So from where we will copy, so you should go and click this color variant option, and you should have to copy ice blue. So make sure that you should avoid the mistakes of the spelling. So I'm going to click on this image, pasting that ice blue, then click on save, go to the next image and paste that name, then again go back and do it for all these images. And then for example, right now I have another color, so go back and copy the color name from here, so that you should avoid the mistakes. So click on this image, I'm going to paste the color here, then going back to the next image, click save, going to the next one, click save, and in the next one you should paste that color, then save, and then you can see that this is the new image again. So here we have the white color, so you should copy this white color and click on this white image, paste the name here, click on save, go next, save. Then we have all these names, alt text, you need to put it right here. Okay, so once you are done, then you can close this. So this was the first step. All right, so go back to the dashboard again. Now we have the coding part, which is a little bit which you need to just do it yourself. You don't need to hire any developer. So click on these three dots and click on edit code. So before moving ahead, make sure that you should subscribe this channel and also like this video. If you have any kind of a new feature to develop, then you can directly contact me. I will create it for you. So now the first thing is that we should search here product-images file. So this is the file which is under snippet. So you should open this product-images.liquid, and inside of it you need to search a class name which is product __ thumb dash item. So here you can see that it is highlighted. So this is actually a div tag, and this div tag is opening from this bracket to here. Here is the closing bracket. I mean, in the opening bracket we have two angular brackets. First one is this one and second one is this one. So inside of it we need to write some code. So you should press enter key, and here we need to put a condition which is related to alt text. So this logic is basically working for the preload images. For example, you are coming up here and on refresh of this page, so all these images which are loading, so those which are not similar to the selected color, so those will be hidden, and those which are matching with the color, then they will be displayed here. All right, so here you need to write if product dot selected first available variant dot featured media dot alt not equals to media dot alt. So this is the first condition, and you need to again write here and check selected first available variant dot featured media dot alt not equals to blank. Okay, and then after you should go down, and here you need to write a CSS property which is style equals to display none. Okay, and then you need to close that condition which is and if. All right, and now we also need one attribute to define here, which is thumbnail dash alt equals to right here media dot alt, and then you can save the changes. So actually these are the 4 lines which you need to add it here, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then move ahead with the next step, which is go to theme.js. So here is the theme.js file, and inside of it we need to search a function which is update variant image. So once you are pressing enter key, then it will be highlighted somewhere here. So here is once you are pressing enter key, this is available only on 2 places. Here you can see that this is the function call, and here is the function definition. So basically this is the definition which is starting from this line and ending at this line. Okay, so we starting from here and ending at this. Just above it we need to press enter key, and here we need to paste one more condition. So that condition is something like if we are finding it, here we need to write like variant dot featured underscore media ampersand variant dot featured underscore media dot alt. So actually we are testing like if this specific variant which is here, so if it has the featured media or not. If it has, then we also need to test like if it has alt text or not. So if both these conditions are true, then we are actually going to document dot query selector all. So actually we are selecting here all the images with the thumbnail attribute which we just now added, thumbnail dash alt dot for each, and then we are writing here a arrow function which is like image dot style dot display equals to none. So basically this is something related to like we are hiding all those images, and then after we are going to define a variable which is current image alt equals to you need to write here variant dot featured underscore media dot alt. So actually we are finding the current variant media alt. So the alt attribute of current variant we are assigning here, and then we need to mention here like const thumbnail selector equals to we need to put here backtick because we are going to add a condition here. So you need to write add a variable here, thumbnail dash alt equals to, inside of it you need to write a single quote, and then after you need to write dollar symbol, and here we are actually putting the current image alt. So in that way we are actually finding this attribute with the specific current variant alt text, and then after you need to display those images which are having this matching alt text, document dot query selector all, and then after we have to write here thumbnail selector dot for each, and then we are adding an arrow function, style.display equals to block. So we are displaying block. Alright, so that's it. And then we have the final else part, which is like this. We need to copy this complete line and paste it right here and make it display block, because if we are not finding the alt text and the featured media is not available, then always this should be display block. We did a small mistake, so actually we need to write here equals to, so we missed that. You should put equals to here because we are assigning this variable here. Then click on save. Once changes are saved, then you can actually click on preview store, and now for example I am clicking here, click on this product, and here we go. Now you can see that only black color images are displaying here, and if we are clicking on ice blue, so only ice blue images, and if we are clicking on white, then only white images are displaying. So that's how you can actually do it into your store. If you are facing any issue or something, you can directly contact me. I will help you out in solving that problem. If you have any new feature to develop, then still you can message me. I will help you out in creating all those new features. So you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. I have also created a WhatsApp group. You can also join that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.